Now we will see what is a method is. Method is nothing but a function which do a particular task. For example, we need to perform addition operation. So I'll create a method def id and a comma b. It takes two parameters a and b and returns a plus b, and I'll call that method using now I'll call that method. I'll pass parameters 2 and 4 and it will return the result. I'll print that result. Now let's save the program. Now if I run the code, you can see the result is obtained. The benefit of using methods is when we are using the same code multiple times in a program, we can reduce the code size by using a method. For example, I want to perform addition operation when I value is divisible by 2. If I value is divisible by 2, a equal to I, b equal to I plus 1, c equal to a plus b, print c. If I value is not divisible by 2, then I need to perform addition operation of current I value and previous I value. So a equal to I, b equal to I minus 1, c equal to a plus b, and print c. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we can reduce the code size by using a single method. Instead of writing like this, I can write c equal to add of I comma I plus 1 equal to add of I comma I minus 1. By writing like this, we will reduce the code size and we will get the same result too. And that is the main use of method. And now we'll see what a method overloading is. Method overloading is nothing but the using the same method name with different parameters. For example, def add is a function which takes two parameters a comma b and returns a addition of those two numbers, and one more add method which takes three parameters and return a plus b plus c. Here add with three parameters, add with two parameters. Now when I call the variable with 1 comma 2 comma 3, it enters into the second method. Sorry. Return. If I hit enter, you can see it entered into the second method. This is called method overloading, which is where we can use same method name with different parameters.